Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Planner 5D. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can add furnitures in a room when you create your design. Planner 5D, what is this? It is an online tool. It is a software, but we can say it is an online tool which allows you to create interior design. It is very efficient because you have a very interesting system, and it's better to use a software like this than to use a real 3D modeling software, because with a real 3D modeling software you will take so much more time, even if sometimes you can have more details. If you like my videos, subscribe to these YouTube channels. First link on the description, the complete course Planner 5D is available. So if you want a complete course with a structure to perfectly master Planner 5D, it is on the first link on the description. First link on the description, you will have the session, the modules, what you will be able to learn with a concrete project. So let's start with Planner 5D and how to add furniture. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to click on this area, and just here you can create a room or you can draw walls. First I'm just going to create a room just here, and I can select this room. I can make some adjustment with the wall. I can extend on this direction, or again this direction, like that. So now I have a room with around 40 meters square, and if I need to add the furniture inside, I can select this element. With this element, I have a library, and if, for example, I just want to add a bed first, I can click on Furniture, Bed, and I can apply full queen and king beds, and now I have different options. If you have just the free version, totally free, you won't have access to all the library, so it means you will have just the first possibility. After, you need to have a subscription if you want to have access to all the libraries. And I can just drag and move one of these. It can be, if I just continue, we have these different options. I can just put these furnitures just on this area. After, when you have your furnitures, you can change, so it means you can invert the direction like this. When you click on this one, you can also duplicate your element and edit the materials, and with this point you can create a rotation at any moment. So I can take my bed and position the bed, for example, here. If I want a sofa, I can just come back and I select what I want here and apply, for example, I'm just going to apply upholstered furnitures, and here I can find sofa. I can select straight, and I have different options. For example, I can drag and move this one, click here, create a rotation 90 degrees, and position, why not, a sofa on this area. If now I want to have a TV table, I can just come back. I have storage, and with storage I can find TV stands and select the models that I want. As you can see, you have interesting library, and if you have the pay version, definitely you will have access to all these different elements. So now I can, for example, click on just select. I can just select this one, just position this here, left click, and create a rotation and position in front. If I just come back a little bit, I would like to have something like a wardrobe. I can just come back, it is storage, and I can select closet wardrobes, and I have this different option. I can click on one of these, maybe this one. I think I don't like too much this one, maybe I can change and just select something more basic. It can be, I'll just select this one. Then I can create a rotation and position my element here. So this is how you can add different type of furnitures. And after, you have more things, so it means you can apply also electrical appliance. You have all this possibility. You can also add many decoration element. For example, if you want to add decoration and you want to have the painting, candles, decor, vase and flowers, you have all these different options. And let's just come back with table. I want to add a table, dining table. I can find like complete sets like this if you want. If you want to delete, you can click here. You can just add a table, basic table, for example, on this area. If I continue, you can also have full element. If I select kitchen, for example, you have kitchen set, and directly you can find full element. So it means I can click on this one and directly I have a set, as you can see, and I can create a rotation just like that. So this is how you can add furniture. So after each furniture, you will be able to edit material. You click on this one, and here you have the option style, and you can change the materials. So best things to do is to go on the 3D view, and thanks to that you can have a view, and it's easy because you can switch 2D, 3D very fast. If for example I select my table and click on materials, I have this wood materials, I can click on this one and select a different materials. Or I can click also on the bed materials, and I can change here not only the wood materials, but I can change also, for example, the textile. Just here it's possible. And if you want to edit a size of something, you can click on this one and you can have wide, deep, 8. You can even change the levitation. Levitation is useful. For example, you want to add a vase, you want to add a book, anything on the table, you can work with the levitation of the object and put the levitation of the object at 75% to arrive directly on the table, like this. So it is okay for this small video on Planner 5D, how you can add furnitures inside a room. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channels. First link on the description, the complete course is available. So if you want to have a structured course, step by step, how you can learn Planner 5D starting from scratch, it is in the first link on the description. I'm an online teacher. I focus the most of my time to create courses. And this course will be perfect if you want to learn Planner 5D. First link on the description. And on this channel for our next video. See you. Ciao, ciao.